Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how to have multiple accounts with Pokemon Pocket. In order to do so, here we are in Pokemon Pocket, and what I can tell you is that the way that the developers have decided to present this game is you can only have one account per device. So if you want to have multiple accounts with Pokemon Pocket, you're actually going to have to put the game on different devices. So if you have multiple devices that you have access to, then you can have separate accounts by making sure that you log in to a different address on the different devices. And that's how you can have multiple accounts with Pokemon Pocket. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.